Okay folks, so this is part 2 of the windshield install, or the preparation for the windshield for this Factory 5 Racing 65 Coupe. So earlier we shared with you where we had the original windshield and it had no border around it whatsoever, so it was just all the normal glass. So you saw the previous video where we had it all masked because we measured the opening around the windshield of the fiberglass body. So we masked it all in, we applied that special primer for the glass, and then we've painted the surround, the black surround. And then if you come to the car, you can see that we've got it all painted black, because we're going to use a black urethane to install the windshield. So you want to make sure that everything is black in color. The mistake we made previously is we would have the white stripe showing through and the blue, because it would mask everything to the windshield. So now we've got everything black, and it might be a little, I'm not sure if it'll show a little pebbly. So this is a brush on, it's a special primer, it's an adhesion promoter, which is very, very important, an important step, because you have to brush that on carefully and let it set up, because what it does is it works together with the special windshield urethane. So they've brushed the special activator all the way around the windshield opening, and they've also brushed it all the way around the windshield that's been painted. So I think you can probably see it depending on the lighting. So that's a really important step. So it's an adhesion promoter to go between glass, painted surface, and glass to body. So now that they have that, the next video that we'll show, the windshield, because it's ready to go in. So they're going to get the urethane gun ready. It's a special windshield urethane. They'll apply the urethane, set the glass in, and then we'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Because it'll be a nice contrast, obviously, because you've got the custom blue with the white Wimbledon white stripe, and then this will all be blacked out with the surround around the windshield, so just be a little bit cleaner look. Okay, so in the next video, what we'll do is we'll show you what it looks like with the windshield installed. Thanks for watching.